Hi guys, now let's solve this question on numbers. Now let me read the question. Suhas has three-digit number with only even digits in his mind. Okay, with only even digits. Okay, he multiplies this number by 2. What is the probability that his new number also has only even digits? Okay, first of all, he thinks of a three-digit number. That means he has in his mind, and each digit is an even, because it said that it contains only even digits. So what are the even digits? 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. That's it. And 0 can't come in the first place, because if 0 comes in the first place, it will become a two-digit number. So it invalidates the question. So 0 should not come in the first place. So how many three-digit numbers exist that with only even digits? First, let's calculate. The first place can be occupied by 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes or no? That means it has 4 ways. And the second place can be occupied by 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So that's 5 ways. Because it's not giving the question, that is repetition is not allowed. So we can consider repetition. And in third place also it can have 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So 5. So total number of ways are 4 into 5 into 5. It's nothing but 25 into 4, 100 ways. 100 three-digit numbers. There exist 300 three-digit numbers with only even digits. Okay, if I multiply this 100 numbers by 2, I'll get some another 100 numbers. Yes or no? There are 100 numbers which validates the condition. And if I multiply those 100 numbers by 2, I'll again get 100 new numbers. So the total number of numbers will be 100 itself. Now in the numerator, we need to find the favorable cases. What is the condition? That this new number also has even digits. Okay. For example, think if I multiply 4, 6, 6 by 2. Okay. It's nothing but 6 to the 12, 6 to the 12 plus 1, 13, 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. See, this is as per the question. I took one even number which has three digits and only even digits, and I multiplied it by 2. It's 932. But the question is, the new number should also have even digits. But here 9 is not even and 3 is also not even. So this number can't be possible. For example, let me take some like 4 to 0 into 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Okay, now understand. For example, ABC, assume ABC is a number, right? If I multiply by 2, these all are even, right? Every number here is even. So if I multiply even digit by even digit, obviously even into even will be even itself. Yes or no? But you should take care of the carry. If carry is generated, for example, assume C into 2 is greater, this 2C is greater than 10. Assume 2C equal to 12. Then you'll get 2 here and 1 here, right? If 2C equal to 12, you'll get 1 here, 2 here. Now, in this place, you'll get 2B plus 1, right? Now, see, 2B is always even, yes or no? Because B is even and 2 is even. But if I add 1, it will become odd, because even plus odd is always odd. So that's where the problem arises. If a carry is generated, obviously the digit will be odd, but we don't want that condition. See here, that's why I given this example. I took a number. When does the carry generate? When the product is greater than 10, right? That means if I contain if the number which contains only 0 to 4, and if I multiply this by 2, the product can't be 10, right? Because if I multiply 6 and 8, the product can be greater than 10. So then the carry generates. But if I multiply these numbers by 2, the product can't be greater than 10. No. So if the product can't be greater than 10, obviously there will be no carry. If there is no carry, obviously there exists no odd number, no carry. That means even. That means every even digit into even is nothing but even. You need to take care that the carry should not be generated. In order to carry not to be generated, you should take care that the numbers are only the three-digit number only comprises of 0, 2, and 4. Okay, because if I take 6 into 2 is always 12, so 2 will get 1 carry, so 1 again, even plus 1 will be odd, so condition is violated, so ignore these numbers. Now 0 to 4, 0 to 4. Now you may think that there is a chance of obtaining 4-digit number, right? There is no chance, because if I multiply, for example, 500 by 2 itself, it's 1000, right? So you need to have all digits less than 6. That means it should contain only 0, 2, and 4. So maximum possibility is nothing but 4, 4, 4, right? So if I multiply 4, 4, 4 by 2, it's nothing but 8, 8, 8. So the maximum product is limited here itself. Okay. So the new product also contains 3 digits. So the first, it should only consist of 0, 2, and 4. I mean the original number into 2 should be equal to new product, right? This original number should only contain 0, 2, and 4. So how many possibilities? The first place can be occupied by 0, 2, and no, sorry, 0 should not come in the first place. So the number of ways are 2 into the middle number can be 0 to any of those three, and the last number also can be any of those three. So 3 2 are 6, 6 3 are 18. So 18 are the favorable cases. What is the denominator? 100. It's nothing but 9 by 50. So 9 by 50 is the probability that the new number will also have even digits. Did you understand, right? Because the original number has only 18 cases. So the new number also will have, because I multiplied the original number by 2, you'll also get 18 new numbers, right? So this original number has only possibility of 18 cases. So the new number is also, there is this only 18 cases. Okay. So 9 by 50 is the answer. Okay guys, thank you. And one small announcement guys. If anyone are interested in training, they can message me. A new batch is going to be start soon. So don't be late. Message me on Instagram, okay? So that I can consider to the course and enroll you. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.